Guys, in this video here we are going to use the comparison blocks GT and GE, greater than, and greater than or equal to, respectively. Then in our user PRG, we can drag them into our logic. Here inside math operators, I'm going to drag my GT block, and in the bottom network I'm going to drag my GE block. I will enable both with the constant true to be permanently enabled. Let's declare variables for each block. I will call GT1. The type will be an integer. And GT2. Notice that it already puts the integer type. In the output we will put a coil with the name of is GT, that is, it is greater than. Here follow the same reasoning, call GE1, of type integer, it will also compare two integers. GE space 2 of type integer. Output is GE, that is, it is greater than or equal to, because this functionality of our block. I will put it to simulation mode, in communication and simulation. Perform login. I will put it to start. We can already test here how the block greater than works. As long as my parameter GT1 is less than or equal to GT2, the output will be disabled. But as soon as GT1 is bigger, we can use the value 1, for example, it will enable the output. If it is smaller than the variable GT2, the output is disabled. And this block is already enabled because it is a greater than or equal to block, so as long as the parameters are equal or GE1 is greater than GE2, the output will be enabled. If I put GE2 greater, then it will be disabled the output. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.